So the next topic is equations and circles. Or circle equations. So what is a circle, by the way?
A shape with no points.
No endpoints.
Not yet.
So the shape is usually something like this. What is so special about this shape?
It has a radius, diameter.
What is so special about radius?
It's always wrong. It's always the exact measurement from the center of the circle to any of the points on the circle.
So center to any point on the circle, this distance is fixed.
Yeah.
So circle is usually collection of those points as if these points like this. So collection of those points in a plane such that all of those points are at fixed distance. Fixed distance from a point. From a fixed point. This fixed point is called
the
center, and fixed distance is called
radius.
This is center. This is called center of circle. This is called radius of circle. Okay? Get it out?
No.
Yeah. So this is about circle, and we have already established that CB is equal to
radius half the diameter.
CB is a fixed distance. This should be equal to radius. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's say coordinates of center. Coordinates of center are, let's say h comma k. Let's say a random point on the circle is, let's say x comma y. So the distance between C and P is equal to
R.
So can you use the distance formula to find distance between C and P? When coordinates are given like this.
Yeah.
Remember the distance formula?
Yeah. Root. It would be root x squared plus y.
Okay, this is CP, right? And the square root is up here. Okay.
Yeah.
So this distance must be equal to
the radius.
Radius, right?
Yeah.
Now if you want to get rid of the square root, what do we need to do?
If you can square the whole thing.
Square the whole thing, both left and right side, correct?
Yeah.
So if you square the left side, whatever is inside the square root, that remains like this.
And
And on the right side,
R squared.
r square. So this is the
And
formula. This is
if
how
we
we got the
stand
point. This is called
right?
equation of circle. Or circle equation, whatever. So notice one thing. HKR, what? H and K. What are these?
Center of the circle. The coordinates are center of the circle.
H is equal to x coordinate. Oh, sorry, center. Correct?
Yeah.
K is equal to
The y coordinate.
y coordinate of circle. Now notice on the right side, with the radius,
That's yeah.
whatever it is written on the right side, it is radius square.
Yeah.
R is equal to radius square. R equal to radius. So let's do one question. Let's say if I write x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to, let's say, 9. Question is, so let's consider this equation of this circle given as x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 9. Question is simple. What are the coordinates of center and how much is the radius?
The coordinates of the center would be 1, 2, and the radius would be 3.
Good. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Let's say there is another question. Let's say this time it is x plus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to, let's say, 3. Same question. What is the center and what is the radius?
So the center would be -1, -2, and the radius would be √3.
Good. So whatever it is on the right side, you put a root to it to get the radius. So let's say you have like this, something like same question. What is the center and what is the radius?
The center will be -5/9, 1/8, and the radius would be 4/3.
The radius would be 4/3. So 16/9, right?
Yeah.
So good job. 4/3 is the radius. I mean, that's it. This is how you identify center and radius. So
she also taught us how to graph.
Graph means what? There will be like x-axis and y-axis. Okay, try to graph this one. Let's take a simple example. Let's say this one. The first one. Can you try to graph it?
So 1, 2, so the points around there. So radius is on that.
Yeah, so basically the thing is it's a bit broader. Like center coordinates are here, right? And you take a compass. You know what is a compass?
Yeah.
So take that compass and with a length of 3 units, you draw a complete circle. With a sharp point at center. Sharp point of that compass should be at center. Okay?
Okay.
Well, that's it. That is enough. Compass is allowed, right? In exam.
I mean, it doesn't really. She just tells us to. We don't. No one really uses a compass. She just tells us to do. Since the radius